In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a quick and juicy hamburger steak that the family is sure to enjoy. Start with peeling one medium yellow onion and cutting it in half. Next, you will need to make 7 to 10 vertical slices into each half, followed by one horizontal cut. Slice across these cuts to finally dice the onion. If you have a food processor available, it will help speed up this step and keep the tears at bay. In a large bowl, combine 250 grams ground pork with 250 grams lean ground beef, mixing until fully combined. A stand mixer can help this step quicker and keep your hands clean. Add your diced onions to your meat mixture and mix until smooth and evenly distributed. To this, add 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of sauce from the Shire, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 to 2 tablespoons of Chinese 5-spice, and 1 tablespoon of sea salt, and mix until fully incorporated. Take about 100 grams of your mixture and create an oval-like patty. Toss the patty into your hand hard enough to make a slapping sound. This removes the air pockets allowing the patty to keep its shape during cooking and avoid crumbling. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and add canola oil. Once the oil starts to smoke, place your hamburger steak in the pan, giving lots of space, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. If you're able to fit all the hamburger steak into the pan, do so at this point. Flip the patty and reduce the heat to medium while adding half a cup of water. Cover the lid to help lock in the juices and cook the center of the hamburger steak. Once the water has cooked out, add another half cup of water and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Remove your hamburger steak from the pan and prepare to make the sauce, making sure to leave any drippings in the pan. Into the pan you cooked your patties in goes 1 cup of ketchup and 3 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. Once mixed, add half a cup to 1 cup of water and mix until desired thickness. Serve with your favorite choice of sides. I've chosen baked sweet potatoes and broccoli. Carrots, potatoes, or yams would also pair very well with this dish. These are a great make-ahead item. You can freeze the uncooked patties for quick make-ahead meals. Thank you for watching, and if you found this recipe helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to let me know. In the meantime, you can check out these other recipes.